Some problems can be detected by sound. This video will highlight those sounds. 1. A grinding or rattling sound can be heard when the dishwasher is running without water. This can sometimes occur when the dishwasher is new. To correct this problem, pour 2 quarts of water into the dishwasher before running it. Verify that the water valve under the sink is turned on. Reference the video, Check Water Cutoff Valve. 2. A repetitive loud bumping sound while the cycle is running can be heard when items are hanging below the racks. The sound comes from items hitting the rotating spray arm. This can be corrected by proper loading. To correct this problem, reposition all items in the dishwasher so that nothing is hanging below the racks. 3. A beeping sound every 15 to 30 seconds can be heard if the door is opened while the cycle is running. This beeping is to let you know that the door is open and the cycle is paused. To correct this, close and latch the door and the cycle will resume.